this trailer. What do you think about that stuff, boys? Huh? There it is, first time loaded. Looks pretty cool. Well, here we go, y'all. We are loaded up for the first time with our new open trailer. This used to be Kenny Schrader's, by the way, and my buddy Ryan redone it. Kind of made it a little bit of his own, and I got it from him. And we're using that when we use the RV. Headed to Charleston Speedway. This is what I deal with. Everybody's sleeping. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition.
Hi.
All right, y'all, unloaded at Charleston Speedway. Got Robert behind us here. We got the Ultimate set up with the old open trailer. I know you guys ain't seen that yet. And yeah, we're here ready. Thank you so much to everybody's come by and seen us already. We have got a ton of people come say hi. If you hear, I gotta get in. So 38 special, Charleston Speedway. There's a bunch of people here. All right, let's get in there and see how fast he is tonight. All right, y'all, just got done qualifying. Pretty slimy, and of course, in old number 7 fashion, car was tighter to banjo string and it was pushing like a dump truck. So I don't think we qualified very good. And probably buried ourselves. So they take the top 8, goes on to the feature, no B mains needed. The top 6 goes on to a fast 6 dash. Anybody past top 8 goes to B mains to qualify for the feature. Now last year, we had to run a B main. We won it. And then we came up and we're running freaking awesome. If I got to do that again, I got to do it. So anyway, met a lot of new people here today. Kim and Danielle's over selling shirts. Met so many people, and if you're one of them, thank you very much. We appreciate you. We're out. We're just cleaning the mud off everything and making sure it's good to go. Made some adjustments to free it up a little bit. Hopefully that works. Trying some new stuff. Working with our buddy Sean Kennedy over at Sneaky Horse. So he's my eye in the sky, so to speak. So we made some adjustments to tighten or to free it up through the center off. No heat races, so we'll either see you in a B main or we made the top 8. My race pass is down, and that's what we're going by. I can't get it to load, so I don't know what we ran. So I guess we'll look for a lineup board. But cool race, 38 special at Charleston. If you're ever around, you ought to check it out. And we forgot Jack and our leaf blower so far with the new trailer. So here's what it is. New trailer. hang out with us tonight, representing that white Tim Nash number 99 shirt. Appreciate him. He's gonna watch it. His dad right here is pretty mad that he didn't get to come watch me race tonight, so not rubbing it in or anything, but the boys here. Anyway, total 180 there in the B main. We no heat races, like I said. Started pole B main, never looked back. So the changes we did with Sean, talked to Sean there a little bit. That was a night and day difference. The car is really, really good. So I'm excited to get in the feature. If you remember last year, we were up till I think 4th. You remember? I think it was 4th. Talking to Kim behind you. But nowhere to go but forward. Please don't go backwards. Top 4 get really cool trophies. I'm going to shoot for a top 3 tonight. Don't get too ambitious and say I'm going to win it. Top 3. So just go over a few things here on the car, load her up with fuel, and I think we'll be ready. I can't get enough water, Kimbo.
Stay hydrated. Drink lots of water.
Yeah, it actually took the sides a little bit. Yeah, it started to feather it a little bit. I don't think we grew it enough, you know. Just grind it. What about the oil? I haven't even really looked at it. It's not that. She keeping it. You ain't gotta get up.
Hey Chase, what do you think about Dad winning the B main
Hell yeah.
Very good.
race?
And I'm pretty sure he's gonna win the feature.
Is that so?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he is.
Pretty confident in that?
What happened? What'd he say?
He's pretty sure you're gonna win the feature.
Yeah.
Gonna win the feature?
Yeah, that's what he says.
On your car.
No.
Why?
Not right now. It's because it'd be bad luck. Why is this on? Well, I did not know that my RV now serves as my garage with a lean-to. Have you seen that in-car?
Look at that.
Yeah, check her out. If you seen that in-car, immediately, like as soon as we took the green, started pouring. I don't know how people didn't just start wrecking like hell, but we didn't. Got in here and we already had a plan. I told Nathan, if it rains, I'm coming in here wide open, locking her down right here. He said, I'll have the carburetor cover. Bam, just like that. So it worked out great. Anyway, it is like done raining now. It rained for a minute, 30 seconds, enough to get Kim completely wet. Chase, you getting rain on you, son? Oh.
Where's your shirt at?
Anyway, just took the green and hopefully they get her worked in. We're not going, don't get your feet wet. We're not going.
They're not camping again.
No, we ain't got nothing but time. We're staying tonight, so give them a couple hours. They tried. They jammed us out there fast. They knew it was coming, so hang around. We'll see what happens. All right. he got the autograph on there. That's cool. That's for good luck, right?
Yeah.
Right on.
Had some good luck.
Yep.
Chase has been doing good. Top 3s all the time.
Mr. Third.
Yeah, so I'll take what I can get.
Yosemite Sam.
Sending it tonight too.
Oh yeah, we were having fun.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
How about you? Yeah, start way over here on this very end. There you go.
Put Nash right here.
Yeah, put her dad on this one.
That's okay.
You'll be all right.
It looks
That's
good.
fine.
Hey, it looks good. That's okay.
There you go. Dad fixed it.
Backwards in works every time.
Perfect.
Hey,
Say they know you're just learning how to write.
Yes.
It's okay.
H7.
Where you
Wherever.
want to put it?
Wherever you want.
That's a 77. That'll be a 77. Got him.
Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job.
Double bump.
Triple bump. There we go.
All right, we roll out 17th. nowhere to go but forward, right? It's hammered down fast and wide open. They're getting the race in, so the little rain shower really killed us. Brutus on, watch for a good charge to the front. Let's get her. I know what's wrong with it. And that driver's an idiot. Yeah. Driver thought we had a flat right rear. And, well, we did get hit in the right rear quarter panel and stuff, by the way. Not even hurt. Looks brand new still. It's an MD3 plastic quarter panel. It's done work tonight. Anyway, it's not flat. So, my bad. I do not pull out of races unless something's bad wrong. I really thought that we had something bad wrong. Don't know where we finished, but we did start. And it was a hammer down fast track. And congratulations to Tyler Nicely, running a good race. Brian Shaw came in second, ran a good race as well. I think Krupp was third. He came home from vacation to run third. Dadgummit. All right, so anyway, you got anything to add? Fast, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It was very fast.
Yeah. There wasn't a whole lot of passing.
No, they wasn't. It was in line all night.
But yeah, I mean, whatever it is, I did pick up some. So over here's my buddy Kinzer. He grabbed him a hat, came over, make sure I had to sign it. And did you have fun tonight, son? Did you? Oh, good. Well, right on. Appreciate it. All right. Well, thanks for coming by, see me. Yep. You driving? Dad's gonna take the passenger seat. Y'all be safe on your way home. See ya. All right, guys. Well, got her all loaded up. We'll call it one piece. I wouldn't swear to that, but anyway, we're gonna call it a night. So, hey, Robert and Danielle, thank you guys for the tarp. Yep. Right over there. See it? Got us a new tarp for working on. It did get really muddy. Get with it. Anyway, had a good time here at Charleston. Sonny, the promoter, heck of a good guy. Just talked to him for quite a while. And we'll be back next year. Maybe even before that. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you soon.
I had a dream that I was gonna leave my hometown with a 6-string on my back, playing every bar that I could get my foot in, and playing all the songs I know under those neon lights playing on stage. Grabbed my guitar